We got Chairman Moody.
Your testimony is that this will likely be litigated? That's what you said, likely be litigated?
Raise the age bills in other states, such as California and Florida. Those are being litigated currently.
Currently. So it would join into that kind of broader legal conversation, but this is crafted in a different fashion, has different exceptions, narrowly tailored. There is no final word from any court on the constitutionality of a provision like this, is there? From the Supreme Court?
Not in the post-Bruin era.
So we don't have that opinion yet?
No, and the cases that are currently being litigated on the Florida and California laws those cases began pre-Bruin.
Okay. So is it not the purview of the legislature to pass laws?
That's what a legislature does.
Yeah, and things are litigated all the time.
All the time.
In fact, sometimes we pass laws for the very purpose of instigating litigation to figure out what the boundaries of constitutionality are. You would agree with me with that?
Yes.
So there's nothing that prevents us from joining that conversation in the legal world about where the boundaries are when it comes to the Second Amendment. What is it that you would have against us joining that conversation? Just because you think it's ultimately going to be overturned?
Because part of our role as an association is to defend the right of law-abiding 18, 19, and 20-year-olds to purchase and own firearms.
Okay. I think it is something that, at least in my time here, we've done time and time again, is pass laws for the very reason of figuring out where the boundaries are. And I tell you what's worth it, to see where the boundaries are so that we can keep people safe and community safe going forward. You mentioned the bipartisan Safer Communities Act as a solution to these issues. What was the NRA's position on that bill?
No, what I mentioned was that was something that would withstand constitutional
What was the NRA's
scrutiny.
position on that bill?
We did not support that bill.
Yeah. NRA won't support bipartisan gun safety bill. Falls short at every level. That's the comment from the NRA about the thing that you just said is something that we should all be thinking about. So you're against that too?
Well, regardless of our position on it, it is the law right now. And as I said, I was outlining legislation that has been passed or considered that would withstand constitutional scrutiny.
But you left out that piece.
It's the law.
You left out the piece about where you all stand on that.
There were different parts of that bill that we opposed. That was a provision that we opposed, yes.
Okay, thank you.